So the first thing that we want to do, once we have this export window open in our source range, we want to go there and make sure we change that to work area. Because if it's set to entire sequence, for example, and I've done this before, what you'll end up exporting is your video and those spaces of black and all that random stuff that's at the end. So you want to make sure that this is set to work area. So now let's review some of the formats that are here. So if I click on format, you're going to see every kind of file format option imaginable. So let's say you need to export this specifically for a Blu-ray. Well, you have H.264 Blu-ray options here. Or maybe you need to burn a DVD. Then there's the MPEG-2 DVD option. So depending on whatever format you need to do, it'll generate whatever files you need for that specific thing.
For a TV show at Brick, what format do you use?
For a TV show at Brick, you're going to do the H.264 export. Okay. So H.264 is any video that you're seeing on YouTube or Vimeo or Netflix or Hulu, any kind of streaming video is H.264. Because it's a good mix of high quality image, but still slightly compressed file size. So it's not going to be an enormous file. So we're going to choose the H.264 option as our format.
Okay.
And now in preset, if I click preset, you'll see every kind of customizable preset imaginable. So if you needed to export specifically for Android phones in standard definition at 25 frames per second, there's an option for that.
That's what's up.
If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see there's some YouTube and Vimeo options. So these are just kind of like optimized different presets for whatever specific format that you wanted to do.
Is there one I can do all?
Hmm?
Is there one that's kind of, it can be on a smartphone, it can be...
Yeah, well that's the thing, it's like a lot of these are not totally applicable anymore because now whatever, because of the way different media players and devices work,